Imagine for a second that you're an artist and you're making a full-time living on your music. Let's say you're making over $100,000 a year. Depending on where you are in your career, that might sound like a long shot, but this is actually really possible if you just follow a certain framework and mindset. And in today's video, I'm gonna let you know exactly how to make at least $100,000 or more as an artist. Are you ready? Let's go. Are you an artist, producer, engineer, or music professional that's looking for funding for your music career? Could you benefit from having funding for studio time, mixing and mastering, or even marketing costs? I think I have something for you. I've written a free ebook. It's 9 pages, super short and digestible, where I break down the 6 main places that artists and professionals like yourself can find funding for their musical projects. If this sounds like it's of value to you, please click the link below and you can download this for free today and benefit from this knowledge. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy 5Piece, producer and engineer extraordinaire. Thank you for checking out today's video. I'm super excited to let you in on this secret of how to make $100,000, 100,000 doll hairs as an artist. Are you excited for that? I certainly am. But before we get into it, I really want to ask you if you could please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of amazing content out there helping you sound better and get paid for it. Get paid for your music. Isn't that what this is all about? Living the dream? I think so. So definitely hit the bell and the subscribe button so you can watch and check out my other content. So how do you make $100,000 as an artist? Recently, I was reading an article by an author named Kevin Kelly. He has an article called 1,000 True Fans. And this is a very interesting concept and principle that every artist and really every business or creator should be using within their practice. And what it revolves around is all you need is not 1 million fans, not 10 million fans. You don't need to be Drake. In fact, all you need is 1,000 true fans that are willing to give you $100. And when you do the math on that, 1,000 people, $100, you will make $100,000 in 1 calendar year. So you just have to find a way as an artist, as a creator, or even as a business to get 1,000 people to really rock with you and be compelled enough to give you $100. And the other side of that1 is how are they going to be able to give you that money? So let me break this down a little bit further. When you think about it and when you look at the research, 1 million streams on Spotify is really only worth $6,000 to $8,000. Sure, that's a decent sum of money, but really it's not that much. So chances are, if you're somebody that wants to get $100 from each of these fans, you cannot just be relying on streaming and music income. In fact, you have to find other ways to monetize your audience. And luckily for you, I have another video out there that I've created called How to Monetize Your Fan Base. And I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Now, I definitely recommend you check out that video because I'm going to tell you all kinds of different ways that you can monetize your audience outside of streaming. Streaming is certainly a factor, but it's not everything. Now, I know today's video is a lot shorter than the other ones, but I really just wanted to nail this into your head. Think about how you can attract, or maybe you already have 1,000 fans, and now you got to figure out how can I get these people to give me $100 each. I'm sure this is going to inspire you a bit, and I'm excited for you to check out the other video because I know that's going to just give you even more ideas. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the bell and the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more helpful videos. Maybe drop me a comment. Let me know if you want to see anything else in the future, and I'm looking forward to helping you again soon. Peace out.
5.